Ever looked at a backyard and feel like it has potential but not sure where to start? That's usually where people make the mistake of trying to change everything at once. But sometimes a smarter move is not to completely redesign the space. Sometimes it's just about upgrading it in the right way. Hi, I'm Sasha from HomeDesignsAI. Today we're working with this backyard. Right now it feels underused, dated, and a little bit unfinished. So we'll be transforming it. We can clearly see the full layout of the garden. That means we already have the framework to work with. And because the structure is visible, it's a great example of how AI modules can work together on the same image. First, I use the design critique tool. This gives me feedback on the backyard layout and helps me see what's working and what isn't. It points out the awkward parts of the space, the areas that feel empty, and the places that could be improved. So instead of guessing, I'm starting with a clearer direction. Next, I use furniture removal to clear out the existing items I don't want in the final design. I remove the bench, the shed, and bushes on the fence that are cluttering the space. This gives me a cleaner base to work from, and once the space is cleared, it becomes much more easier to imagine the upgrade. Now I go into Magic Redesign. This is where I actually start reshaping the backyard. The different AI design actions help the AI understand the prompt better, so I can guide the results more precisely, but I normally always stick with the redesign AI design action. For this space, I'm going to test a few different directions. Let's start off with transforming the backyard into an outdoor dining area. I'm doing this all in one prompt, but if you want pieces of furniture in a specific location, you might have to break down the prompt. This is the prompt I'm using. That looks great. Now let's try using a different prompt to transform the backyard into a reading nook. So I'm just using this prompt right here. I also want a small pond and a hammock. Next, let's experiment with a kids area in the backyard. So I'm using this prompt. And finally, let's try this prompt. I want to add a patio and decking area. Now, one thing to remember is that Perfect Redesign is not always the best option for a backyard like this. If you go straight into the Perfect Redesign and click backyard, you might not get the exact results you want. For example, it makes changes to the entire image, and sometimes this can include changes done to the surrounding houses, so the results won't look as realistic as they should. So landscaping usually works better when you use the Magic Redesign tool instead. This gives you more control, more flexibility, and better results when you want a specific outdoor layout. Here's the original backyard and here's the upgraded version. The key lesson is simple. You don't always need a full redesign. Sometimes the smartest results come from upgrading the space step by step. If you're working on a backyard, start with design critique, especially if you're short on inspiration. Then clear the space with furniture removal and then use the Magic Redesign to shape the final look, and it gives you much better control than starting from scratch. Thank you for watching and I hope this helped.